Hi guys. I have you kind of in a weird angle probably, but I don't know. I'm trying to figure this car mount I always say it wrong. I don't know. Car mount, whatever. I don't know what it's called. Situation out. Right now I am on my way to work. I finally am kind of trying to take you guys with me on the road. Sorry for the sun. We're in Arizona. The sun's always out. Although right now it's like 10 till 9 and it's 57 degrees outside, but today's supposed to be like 73. We'll see. The sun's already out, so it will get warmer throughout the day. I'm pretty sure people are gonna be looking at me weird, but I honestly don't care. A lot of stuff happens in my car. Like, people just freaking don't know how to drive in Arizona, for one, and I'm so glad they're putting a four-way light stop right here, because what was I saying? Oh, the area that I live in is growing so much, and so traffic is a little bit crazy, and so they're having to build more lights, like at four-way stops, just to get traffic through, because the traffic's just so backed up. Because, they're expanding property and they're expanding businesses, but also everybody and their mom wants to move to Arizona. It seems like either people are moving to Texas, or they're moving to California, or they're moving to Arizona, and it's like, or they're moving to Atlanta. It's one of the four. But yeah, so it's pretty annoying. But yeah, welcome to Arizona. Hi guys. Okay, so I wanted to get on here really quick. First of all, I just got my shoes in that I ordered a couple days ago, and I just got them today, so it was super, super fast shipping. I want to show you guys those. But also, I just wanted to say, there's gonna be a line in my face because I'm by the window. I've been literally cleaning all day. I just got up and was like, look, I need to start cleaning my house, like cleaning my kitchen, cleaning my bathroom. Yeah, that's why I have, sorry, that's better. So anyways, that's why I have stuff everywhere, because I've just been cleaning all day, and I needed to get it done. If I didn't get it done, like, I wouldn't have got it done. You know what I mean? But I also just wanted to get on here and say, my gosh. So I started doing shorts on YouTube because Avery was like, you need to do shorts, like, just do it, like, it's just something that people are doing more often, and like they just get better like views or whatever. So I started doing shorts on YouTube, and let me tell you, there are so many times when I have to go and block people from the comments, because people are just, okay, for one, like, people are just honestly so literal. And I say that because if you know me, then you know my personality. Like, I am a little bit extra, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm a Libra. Like, we are very dramatic or whatever. But I like, because I'm kind of extra and dramatic, like, I pick the TikToks that fit my personality for the most part. But also, like, sometimes it's over exaggerated, and like, I would never act like that, you know? But people literally think, like, I don't know what it is, but people literally think that that is like legitimately me talking in the TikTok. Like, I just did one recently. I just did a recent short that I actually got from TikTok, and basically it was like, you just have to go watch it. Honestly, just watch it. It's one of my shorts right now. It's like, I'm wearing like a nude body suit, like a short sleeve nude body suit, and I was using the bold whatever makeup filter, and it was basically like, don't tell me not to do any TikToks, because I'm always doing TikToks because like my bills are all paid or whatever. And somebody literally was like, your lips are fake. How much does it cost to get your lips done? And like, oh my God, like, this is what videos are coming to these days, and like all this stuff. And it's like, dude, it's just a freaking TikTok. Like, relax. You know what I mean? But then I'm like, maybe I need to relax because it's just YouTube and it's just TikTok. I'm just kind of like, whoa. I think I got more rude comments on my shorts than my TikTok ever. Like, you won't see them because I literally remove them and I block, remove, block, remove, block. We're not about to do all of that negative stuff on my channel. Nope, nope, nope. Anyways, I don't really care. Like, at the end of the day, I'm still going to keep doing videos and shorts and TikToks. I honestly don't care. That's not going to stop what I'm doing. But I just think it's so funny because it's like, why do you guys take it so seriously? Like, why do you think TikToks are real? Like, not all TikToks are real. Okay, so I wanted to get on here and be like, you guys are so mean. But I mean, if you're mean to me and you're watching me, then I must be doing something that makes you want to watch me. So whatever. But then I thought about it. I was like, you're probably not watching me if you're mean to me. So I've been doing a lot of shopping. And I've been doing more like spending than like shopping. But I have done some shopping. Mainly because like I just needed a lot of things. Like you guys know, I said I got some Skims bodysuits, which I still need to do a video on that. But anyways, I purchased my first pair of Miss Lola heels. So this is the box that it came in. And honestly, I'm not a pink girl. Like, I don't really like pink, but I love this box. Like, I love it. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. And it has gold on it. I already opened them because I was super excited. But I'm going to just show you guys the shoes. So it comes with this little card. And I want to point out that this card, so here's the card. It has like a message on the back. It's so freaking cute. I already tried them on and I'm obsessed. I just did like a little Instagram picture, but I need to do an actual picture of them on me, like with my outfit. Because we have a wedding coming next month. My trainer is getting married, so I did have to find some really cute heels because honestly, guys, I have one pair of heels now. I've resold like so many of my shoes. So the ones that I picked are these. And they're so cute. They look so good on. They are a clear strap around the leg. I'm a size 7, so I got them in a size 7. And honestly, so like my thing would be like I would be more concerned about this part, like if it would hurt because of the like heel. But no. I wore them around the living room and I was like trying them on and they are super, super comfortable. So I am like obsessed. Completely obsessed. So Miss Lola is definitely doing her thing. And these are super comfortable too. Like they don't dig into your skin and it doesn't dig into like your toe right here. So I love, love, love these. And then I also did get some like Birkenstock kind of dupe shoes from my job actually. So it's like I want to tell you guys why I work, but then I don't because I don't know, people are just weird. So anyway, I work at a resale store and I got these Cushion Air sandals. They're pretty much like a Birkenstock dupe. They don't last as long as Birkenstocks, but they are pretty close. And I got them in like the stone color. And these were at a 6.5 and I'm usually a 7, but they fit me literally perfectly. So I'm so excited for these for spring and summer. And now I just need a black and brown pair. I've already worn these quite a few times, but I did get some Coach slides. I actually got these off of Poshmark just because they're all sold out, or these are sold out at the Coach outlet. And I didn't go into like actual Coach, but yeah, I got these. I got them for like 35 bucks on Poshmark and I love them. And I love how it says Coach right there. One thing I will say about these is you have to break them in. Like, I don't know if these, this is probably so stupid. I don't think they mold to your feet, but like you literally have to break them in because if you don't, they hurt like so bad. Like, I don't know what it is. I mean, it's probably because they're like freaking, you know, whatever this is called. But like right here is just, it's not comfortable. Okay, so you gotta like break them in, but they're super cute and they go with so many outfits. So I have these and I do love these, and these I got them in a size 7 and they did come new with the box when I bought them too. And another pair of like strappy heel or strappy leg sandals that I got are these from Express, but these I also got at my job too. And I got them for like 21 bucks, I think. But they are also a leg strappy sandal, so completely flat. And oh no, I got them for $15.99, size 7, Express, and then they do strap around the leg. Also did get these at my I got these at Plato's, actually. I didn't get these at my job. I got these at Plato's. They're by Steve Madden, and they're like this really pretty nude suede. And then that's just like this, the suede, but they're literally like new condition. So comfortable. And I love like the ankle strap where it goes. And I love the chunky heel. And these I got for 14 bucks at Plato's, so size 7. I got these are by the brand by. No idea. These I got at Plato's as well, size 7. And I got them for $18.99. I'm really into like the strappy shoes right now, so these do strap around the ankle as well, but not as high as the Express ones or the Lola heels, but they're still super cute, and like a more of like a kitten heel, so probably like a 2-inch heel, and they're like a square toe. So I love these, and they're white. So I just really wanted like a cute pair of little white heels. And then I also do have these Express like little heel dorsets. So these are a size 7, and I got these, I think I got these for like, I don't know, like $8 at Plato's, and they're by Express as well. Also do have these these like Alexander McQueen dupes. They're by Steve Madden. I know Zara has some like these too that look actually better as a dupe, but I have these and I have definitely worn them, so they're pretty used. Now I just kind of need to like clean them up, but I love these for everything. They're super comfortable and just really nice and like everyday style for anything. And I got these in a size 7.5. And I'm usually between a size 6 or 7. Like, it's so weird. I'm either a 6 or I'm a 6.5 or I'm a 7. So it just depends on the shoe and the brand and like the shape of the shoe. But normally I would be like a size 7 in sneakers, but these are actually, these to me run small. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep cleaning because I have like all this stuff, clothes and stuff to put away on my bed. And I just got like my vanity kind of cleaned up. So over there I have like my vanity, and up here I have my clothing rack thing. But yeah, I have stuff all right here, and then way over there I have more stuff. And yeah, there's just like not enough room in this apartment anymore. So I'm just trying to like clear out, clean, make it feel more fresh and organized. So that's what I've been doing. I am working on my Skims video for you guys, so do look forward to that. But that is going to end this video, and I'm sorry, like most of the time I'm just kind of like sitting and talking, but I'm really usually on the go. And today I've just been cleaning, so I didn't really think to turn the camera on. Oh, by the way, also today is day 2 of Botox, so I wanted to keep you guys updated on that just because I have a lot of people asking me about Botox. So today is day 2. Like I said, it does take at least 2 weeks, sometimes like a week and a half for some people, sometimes a week. But for me, it does take at least 2 weeks to kick in and like start working. I'm going to go ahead and raise my eyebrows up and my angry face and my smile. So everything is still there. You can still see my crow's feet. You can still see my angry face and my wrinkly forehead, but like I said, it does not usually kick in until like 2 weeks for me for some reason. But it does kick in and it does work, so I'm really excited for that. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and if you guys have any more questions about that, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and keep cleaning, getting some stuff done, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.